Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rohma and now I want to tell you about Surabaya Get the Best nomination in Awards. Mayor Tri Risma Haryani at 17th April will get scheduled to presentation management in London and England. The presentation done because Surabaya will get the best nomination in the awards, especially developing of infrastructure. And Tri Risma Haryani feel surprised and proud and of even of invitation which performed by association the best on Tri Risma Haryani has prepared the best presentation to grip this project and for presentation about developing of infrastructure uh, especially to developing of zoo and Krypton. We must realize that Tri Risma Haryani a lot, have a lot of achievement to lead Surabaya town. Not only Indonesian people that come, but international institute also come to discussion with Tri Risma Haryani. Tri Risma Haryani feel proud because Surabaya get the best nomination in award. Uh, and Tri Risma Haryani is sure that Surabaya will be the winner. It is my presentation and I think it's enough and selesai. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.